just floated a art fest actually as part of our institute, and it's an international competition, essentially for lockdown.
Right.
And we are hoping to get many entries. We have a very decorated jury also now, and we are trying to, for the first time, put up a virtual exhibition of whoever will be selected,
Nice.
and that will be riding on an international virtual platform also, where art is showcased. So I'll send you a link, and then whatever comes through, you can see. It's going to be very interesting. First time in India. IVS has just taken out an art fest. We are running an art fest, which is an international art festival. And for the first time in India, we are shooting it on 3-dimensional camera. So what we will do is we will have that art gallery shot in 3D, 360-degree camera. Then we will plonk the artwork in virtual, this thing, in the actual shot space, in a virtual format, in actual shot space.
Right.
And then we'll have that experience given to people on the internet and online.